In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your mic with a keyboard and mouse on an Xbox One. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your microphone on your headset while also connecting a keyboard and mouse to your Xbox One is extremely simple. Of course, if you wish to use a standalone microphone as well, you will be able to, but in this video, I'm going to assume that you have a headset that includes a microphone. One of the easiest ways to do this by far is to connect your headset to your controller and connect the keyboard and mouse combo on the USB ports available on the Xbox One. This way, you will be able to use your headset originating from your controller by connecting it to the 3.5mm port, and the keyboard and mouse will be properly set up connected to one of the USB ports on the Xbox One. Like I said, I believe this is by far the easiest method, and it will allow you to use the keyboard and mouse combo while also having access to the microphone in your headset. Sometimes, if you are using your controller wirelessly and you have the headset connected into the controller, you might run into issues where it turns off automatically. To circumvent this, what you can do is connect the controller to your Xbox One through a cable. Of course, this means that you will have to use 3 USB ports. If your keyboard and mouse each use individual USB ports, one is going to be for the keyboard, one is going to be for the mouse, and then the last one available from one in the front and two in the back on your Xbox One is going to be for your controller. With the headset connected to the controller, you will be able to populate all of the USB ports, being two in the back and one in the front, like I said, while using all your peripherals together. You can consider some other options, such as using the Xbox app or buying a USB hub, as you can see here, which would allow you to connect multiple USB devices to a single USB port, but I would recommend just following the easiest to follow method that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. If you are only using the keyboard, the mouse, and the controller on the USB ports, you shouldn't need to spend any more additional money on adapters or hubs. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the mic with keyboard and mouse on the Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.